Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's November 2021 and we're opening morning of deer season. Rifle season is back. Hallelujah. It's a good time to be out in the woods. Come on back. We're gonna see if we get anything this weekend. You know, I'm not really interested in killing something too bad, and so just out having fun. Spend time. My son's with me and dad's with me, and we're just enjoying the outdoors. So come on back. Let's see what we can see this weekend. There they go on their cart out to their stand. Get in and one driving in. What are y'all doing?
Pig hunting.
Pig hunting. One ugly pig down.
I can make a toupee out of that.
Make a what out of him?
Might make a toupee. Because you know how that works.
That'll look good.
That'll look good. See y'all in a while. They'll get a big one.
Y'all better hurry, the sun's coming up.
We'll make it.
We'll make it.
See you later.
Okay. You with me. You have to die now. I'm sorry. Squish.
He's got a following.
Is it a good one today?
No, it's all one.
Was it a big one?
No, that's a nice 8. Nothing right home about.
You got a filero?
Hogs are coming in or something. Lucky Hallsville shirt.
Next. Ah. So we saw some good ones down in Mason. Those two 10 points that I saw, if it was later in the season, probably would have taken one of those, but it was early in the season. I just wasn't in the mood to shoot one yet. The other thing is, it's kind of bad. Once you shoot your personal best, the next year or the next season, it's kind of like, well, looking for one bigger than that. And you know, when you're judging the next deer on the biggest one you've seen in 40 years, it's kind of hard to look and pick one out. But anyway, I do have my eye on a couple of really good ones, and I just hadn't been able to see them yet, so I'm gonna keep looking. But here's some deer from West Texas. So I've got a lease in Central Texas, one in West Texas. Here's some from West Texas. Seen some good ones, but hadn't seen the one I'm after yet. Okay, so all videos don't have a happy, successful ending. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. We've spent the first couple weeks hunting. This is 2021 season and hadn't got anything yet. So I'm going out again this afternoon. It's mid-November here before Thanksgiving. And look for a part 2. Hopefully look for a part 2 that has a successful conclusion. And we'll see you here next time on Guns Up Review.